Hello, friends, enemies, strangers, mm, kind mothers, technicians, My Cloud users. I'm going to show you how to use My Cloud. Okay, and how to manage the users. Right? I've logged into the dashboard. And I've already set up some users. Let's see. There's this user is by default. The admin. These users I created using a import file right here, where you select import users, next, overwrite import users, and you browse to select it. Let's see, quick access, see if it shows up here. Right, it's kind of close to this place, but it's iffy above that directory. I think it's here. Import, let's put it date modified. Get the most recent one. Should be up here. Shares users subset. That's from May 5th. And then you go next. It loads. It loads these users. There's basically 2 users and 2 special folders, shares, but they're repeated, all of them are repeated twice. A version with a minus sign and a version without the minus sign. The minus sign is more private to the owner of that. Oh, and also this one with the underscore, that one is a version more public. Okay, and then each user is set up in a file with 7 parameters. There's the first parameter, the name, and the second parameter, the password, and so on. Let's see if I can. Oh no, I can. I click here and I will see the parameters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, it's only showing 6 parameters. Okay, it only needs to show the username. It doesn't show the password. Okay, it shows that no groups are being assigned to this user. This is the user Alvaro minus, and then the parameter read only is that this user can only view this folder and that folder, cannot write or delete anything there. But then this folder and this folder and this folder, he has full control, so it's read write. And then there's these folders that the user cannot view at all. It's blocked, denied access. And then quotas is how many megabytes? 20 megabytes. So that was this user, and the other user is similar. So notice that the user by the same name has read write to his own named folder. And two other folders. The FIN is finance. And then here in denied access would be all the users that have a minus sign. They would go here. And the ops is a folder that only this guy uses. Also 20 gigabytes. Then, so we looked at these two, right? Then here I left this one very simple because I'm not gonna allow this user to log into this. So I'm not sure what happens when you don't put anything here. If it leaves it as denied access. I hope it does, but anyway. And then same for this guy. It's left blank. This dash means that those parameters have been left blank. Then this guy, similarly. This guy similarly. But these two aren't really guys. They're just folders. Again, similarly. The ones with the underscore are going to be read-only by others. So they're more accessible than access denied for others. So for example, let's say that this guy is like the finance department, so he has access to the finance. That's FIN and FIN underscore. Let's see if that's true. So he has read write to FIN and FIN underscore. But they denied access to operations. Okay. Let's see. This guy, on the other hand, yes, denied access to the finance, but has access to his operations. Okay. Okay. Apply. I'm going to apply, and so it's updating. It's writing over what was there before, but there was no changes. So when you look down here, you have this guy. This is the person by that name has access to the folder, the share by that name, right? Because when you create this user, it creates a folder because you can see it here. Under shares, it creates a folder by that same name, this one. Okay. So when it creates it, it sets it to read write. Or maybe I did this manually. Interesting. Let's see if I move that manually. Let's see. Oh. I think I moved these manually. Or did they just move? I should have taken notice of the positions, because I might have been messing with this. So if I move them all to this position, will it move them? Okay, so these are all off. I'm gonna move this off. And that means that it's been denied access. So that's this one. Is all off. And this one. Now, I'll check again. Yeah, it's all off. It was set to something before. I'm gonna go to check on this one. So I'm gonna set this. Oh shit, what happened? Okay, oh look, it's been set to something. I'm not sure why it's been set there. If it was the import file that set them or not. Which is interesting. Okay, so what about this one? It's all off. Oh no, look. Oh look. That's interesting. It moved it. That's interesting. I'm gonna shut it off. Whoa. Oh, sorry. Then I'll move this one here, and this one here, this one here. Let's see. Ups. Based on the updated information provided by Juan Camilo regarding his experience in supervising the studio design process, he has less than 3 years. Wow, maybe it's working. So the most experience we can ask for is 2 years. The new requirement section will therefore say bachelor degree in civil engineering as well as 2 years of experience in supervising the exterior design process of construction projects and 1 year of experience in logistical planning and managing budget control for construction projects. Okay, that's in the shares. I'm going to go to users. Let's see, go down. Users is all off. We believe that the current job description listing 1 year of experience in both areas is sufficient, but this is, of course, your decision to make. Once you have reviewed all options and determined the best way to proceed, please let us know and we will move forward with the case accordingly. Thank you, no problem. Larguísimo. Sí. Interesting.
Well, she knows.
Okay, so I go to here, users. So I learned that the users are all off, and I went to shares. There's no groups. These were set by adding active directories over here. Let's see, maybe it's over here. Oh no, it's probably over here. Network. I set up active directory. Where is it? There it is, active directory. Connected to the exterior walls Inc. That local. I don't know what that is. Link layer topology. Discovery protocol. LTPD. For enhanced network index on Microsoft machines. Web dashboard services. ATP redirect. I don't know. And what about this work group? Work group, this lets devices in the same work group access one another and are only available for Windows systems. Okay. Local master. Enables disabled domain master browser to collect and record resource service information across multiple subnets. It's off. I don't know about that. So here's the steps. Step 1, add multiple users. Step 2, import users. Next, overwrite import users list. Select the text that's supposed to be the import user list. Or I can show you what it looks like. Let's see. It's over here. That's the file I'm importing. It's got the 2 principal users, this guy and this guy, and this is like a to create a folder that they can share. And then this is finance and ops, and this is the same but shareable. These are private to the owners. So this guy owns that folder, finance, while that guy owns the other one. But this one is made public. These 2 are public, but it's read-only to the non-owner. So this phone and these are separated by tabs. Let's see further. See 1, 2, 3, 4 blanks. Those are blanks. Ready? So there's a blank here all the way down, and there's blanks all the way down here, and blanks all the way down here. But this column is filled with read-write, and this column is filled with read-only, and then there's a column here. Oh no, I think this is access denied. Let's see. This is group, read-write, read-only, Oh no, there's a mistake. There's a mistake. One. See, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a mistake. I caught a mistake.